poor Ànizs was rescued by FAPF, Foundation of Animal Protection in Füzesabony, Hungary. Meet Ànizs, a few weeks ago. His owner was looking at his suffering dog for days, unable to move, in huge pain, after he was hit by a car. He eventually called us to take him for euthanasia because he was even reluctant to spend time taking him to the vet. Of course, this wasn't the first time Ànizs was out on street. He did not care about him even before that. We took the dog into our care, barely alive in unbelievably bad conditions, and we rushed him to a vet hospital. The mister did not show much damage, but the CT scan revealed a fracture in his skull, leading to a stroke eventually. We have provided all we could and all what he needed: MRI, CT scan, full-scale blood test, ultrasound, 2-week hospital care. He was between life and death for days in the hospital, but finally he started to eat and communicate. He restarted to learn how to live, and his previous movements going round and round started to normalize too. He is 1 year old, small size. He is looking for a foster, final home. Please support our work so we can continue the rescue work of similar poor souls in need. Please support FAPF, Foundation of Animal Protection in Füzesabony, Hungary.